Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another Boxycharm unboxing, which is why my face looks pretty flat right now. Also, please forgive my voice. I've been sick with a cold, but I really wanted to dig into the things that came in my box this month that came yesterday, so I was like, I'm gonna record this video. So today we're gonna be doing this. And if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly beauty subscription for $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size items. And the theme this month is Galaxy Glow. So the first thing I will grab right now is this guy. This is the Crown Pro Trio Brush Set. Retails for $29.99. 3-piece Pro Brush Trio to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes. Looks like a shadow shader brush to me, but the medium-sized brush can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeter of the face. Finally, the large powder brush can be used to set everything in place. So these are very soft. I feel like this would maybe be a little too dense for contouring, at least for me. I don't know. I think I would like this for concealer under the eyes. It feels like, I don't know, I just feel like that would work really well. And again, I feel like this is like an eyeshadow shader brush, but I could see how you could get some, you know, detail with like spot concealing with this. Not like super precision spot concealing, but you could definitely lay down concealer with this little guy. But this will definitely, I could use this for bronzing, setting. So I'm going to use this today to set my foundation. I know my face is a little bit light. I was trying out the Almay Age Essentials Makeup Multi-Benefit Anti-Aging. I don't know if this is actually supposed to be a foundation or like a CC cream kind of thing. I'm not sure, but I was trying this out for the first time today in this shade Medium Cool, and it's obviously not the right shade, but I thought I would make it work. And this does have an SPF 15 in it, and it says it's hypoallergenic, so I don't know. But anyways, that's why my face is light, but hopefully I can fix it with bronzer and stuff. So I'm just gonna take my airbrush finishing powder from Charlotte Tilbury and this powder brush. I'm only gonna set where I'm gonna put like bronzer and stuff. Oh yeah, this is a very soft brush. I like it, and I think I'm gonna like it a lot for bronzing and stuff like that. But today we're just gonna use it to set. I feel like it does a good job at not picking up too much powder. It doesn't feel like it's caking it on or anything like that. Okay, so yeah, I mean, I can't complain. Feels like a very nice brush. Like I said, I think it's gonna be really nice for bronzer. All right, so I threw on this headband, and I decided against my better judgment to go ahead and just try this for contouring. We'll see how it goes. I just have the Kat Von D Shade Light palette here, and I'll just kind of dip into these two outer shades here. I feel like this is gonna be not great. It's just, it lays it down so concentrated. This would probably be great for a cream contour, but since I just set my face, that's not gonna work for me today. So, okay, I don't like this for contouring. I'll have to try this for cream contouring. I'm sure it'll be great, but I'm gonna try and balance this out real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, I have bronzer on, finished up the contouring. Let's go ahead and grab this guy. Actually, just kidding. Whoa. Let's grab this guy next because I'm really excited to try this. This is the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Palette. Retails for $39.99, and it has 6 stunning holographic shades to transform any look into something enchanting. Obviously the packaging is amazing. Let's see. Okay, so this is what we have. We have 6 shades. They're small-ish pans, but I'm not really complaining. Let's see. We do this row right here. pretty. Clean off my hand. And then I will go ahead and do this row here, right next door. So the shades are pretty similar. I mean, I wouldn't say that they're drastically different, but they're definitely pretty. I totally get, I don't know, I get mermaid vibes here. The swatches seem a little chalky, but let's try this before we put on blush. So I think I'm gonna try this one here. It's kind of like duochrome holographic. So I'm just gonna try it and we'll see how this goes. This is the brush I use when I don't want to be crazy and I really want it to blend. So this definitely has more of that pink or purple holography iridescent vibe to it. So definitely not my favorite. It's just, I just don't feel like these really work with my skin tone. But I think if you're fair skinned, I think these will be amazing. Let's see. Let me go ahead and try, I know this is gonna look funny, but I'm gonna go ahead and now and try this like yellowy toned one down here and just see if I like that one any better. So these highlighters are definitely more for a more adventurous highlight enthusiast. I don't hate this one, but it is definitely like, whoa. It's definitely yellow, definitely blinding. I'm excited to try these on the eyes actually. Okay, so that's that. Next thing I will grab is this. This is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil. Retails for $28. I don't know if this is a full-size product or not, because there's a not for resale sticker on here, so I could be wrong and this could be a full-size item, but I kind of get the feeling that it's not. So multi-use shimmering cream color that is crease proof, enough for the boldest of eye looks, and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face, suitable for all skin types. So I could have, I guess, tried this out on my cheekbones, but we had the other palette for that. Let's put this up here. Definitely pretty and glittery. So I think what I'm gonna do real quick is just maybe, you know what? Okay, I'm just gonna put this on the eye and then I'll probably blend in like a crease color just so it doesn't look super crazy. So as I'm trying to blend it out with my finger, a lot of it is really coming off on my finger. So, and I don't know if that would be any better with a brush. So let me grab a brush and see, because I don't want to blend it too much, but I don't want it to be too crazy harsh either. I feel like it's getting a little patchy. So I love the color for sure. I'm not sure how I feel about the texture itself and just the application. So I'm gonna try and work up this other eye a little bit. I definitely have other cream shadows that I like more, but I'll play with this one more and see if there's any tricks to it. Who knows? But it's definitely pretty. Before I finish off the eye, there is another thing in the box that I would like to grab, and it is this one. This is the Vintage. It's been a while since we've gotten anything from Vintage. Vintage Cosmetics Smokey Eye Pencil retails for $21. Wow. Jessica's richly pigmented smoky eye pencil delivers intense jet black definition, creating pencil point precision or smudgy saturated color. The creamy soft formula glides on lids without tugging or pulling. So maybe what I will try is to, well, let's see, I'm going to put it in the waterline here. It's nice and sharp. This does really glide on nicely. That's a true statement. Vintage Cosmetics. Okay, we'll do the waterline up here. Definitely not a bad pencil. I like it. I'm just gonna put a little bit up here and maybe smudge it out as well. Let's see. Yeah, that does go on nice. Let me grab a smudgy. Grab a smudgery brush. A little pencil brush from ColourPop. I like it. I do like it. It's a nice pencil. Now I gotta do the other side. Alright guys, the last thing in the box is this guy right here. I wasn't going to use this on camera, but I changed my mind. This is the Pure X-Faux Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator. Retails for $17. With an instant boost of shea butter, raw sugar, and exfoliating beads, this 4-in-1 lip scrub pencil exfoliates, plumps, hydrates, and soothes. That's a lot of things all in one. And all at the same time. Using the shea butter to soften lips, while the raw sugar and exfoliating beads are used to buff away dead surface cells, it moisturizes the lips for a softer, smoother, more plump lip. My lips are feeling like they could use some exfoliation, so I'm going to go ahead and use this. I'm having a hard time smelling, so I can't tell you. I feel like it smells good, but so I'm just going to put some of this on here. And I don't know. Hopefully I don't take all of my makeup off around my mouth. I'm not exactly sure the technique with these like lipstick exfoliator things. Like, am I supposed to... Oh, by the way, this is a twist up. So that's fun. That's nice. I am feeling a little bit of tingling. I definitely do feel some type of like a hydrating and emollient factor to it. I know you're not really supposed to taste it, but it doesn't taste bad. So that's nice. It doesn't feel bad. It doesn't taste bad. I actually kind of like it, but I'm not gonna eat it. I will refrain. Okay guys, that wraps up today's video. For the crown brushes, I definitely am looking forward to giving these a try with other products. These are not a flop for me. They're all very soft. I will definitely use them, just maybe not what they're intended for necessarily, except for this one. I like this one for powder. So great brushes, love them. The Cover FX Cream Shimmer Veil, I'm gonna keep playing with it. So far it's not my favorite, but I also didn't really prime my eyes properly today, so maybe that would help. I don't know. I don't love it. The color is really fun. It's just the formula that I'm not quite sure about yet. This Naked Cosmetics highlighting palette, it's not a bad palette, and the payoff is not bad for sure. It's just not really my cup of tea in general. Like, I don't like, personally, iridescent colored highlighters. That's just not what I'm into. So it's definitely not a bad palette. It's just not my cup of tea. So for what it is, I think it's good. If you're looking for something like this, then it's definitely not a bad palette. Like I said, it's just that I don't really tend to lean toward these type of shades, but I definitely will try them on the lid. I'm excited for that. The eyeliner, I'm interested to see if it's going to pool in the inner corners of my, like my tear ducts, because that's, I typically have that problem with black eyeliner, so I try not to when I tightline, I try not to go all the way in. Sometimes I forget, but I try not to go all the way in, just because then I get it all pooling up in my inner tear duct, and that's not cute. So, and then I'm curious to see how it lasts on the waterline as well, because I tend to have, I don't know, my eyes have a mind of their own. Sometimes they're super dry, sometimes they're watery. We'll see how this lasts. And then, of course, the lip exfoliator. I don't hate it, but it's not life-changing either, so it's nice to have another lip exfoliator. I mean, I already have an exfoliator that I love, so it's not like I needed one, but it's nice to have another one, so and I'll definitely use it. So the value of my box today was $135.98, so we'll say $136. Obviously, that is way more than the $21 that I paid for it. You know, I'm not head over heels with anything in particular, but I definitely enjoyed the box. I enjoyed trying out new stuff. Every single box can't be amazing, because that would just be too good to be true, right? So I'm okay with having a box here and there that I'm just not like, oh my gosh. So with that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching me demo everything Boxycharm for you. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions for future videos, definitely leave them in the comments section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and wherever you are, I hope the rest of your day is awesome. I hope the rest of your week is amazing, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.